I will never see money the same way after learning this. Let's dive in. Welcome to the 2024 Cash Cow Money-Making Secrets Revealed. Ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom? It starts with finding your niche. Think of something you love or are really good at. Got it? Great, now market it. Social media is your best friend. Instagram, TikTok, even LinkedIn. Next, automate. Use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule posts and set up an online store with Shopify or Etsy. This keeps you in business 24/7. And don't forget passive income. Think ebooks, online courses, and affiliate marketing. They earn while you sleep. Finally, always reinvest some of your earnings back into the business. Buy better equipment, hire freelancers, or ramp up your ad spend. The goal? Scale up. So there you have it. Find your niche, market it, automate, generate passive income, and reinvest. Follow these steps, and 2024 could be your year of the cash cow. Subscribe for more financial freedom tips.